The proxy pipeline is meant to speed things up, but too often it also adds extra steps. With the updated 3ds Max integration in Connector, merging, creating, and updating proxies is now more efficient than ever. When merging 3ds Max assets as proxies, the integration automatically creates the proxy during merge and links it to the corresponding asset in Connector, allowing you to switch seamlessly between lightweight proxies and fully editable assets at any time. Materials are now handled automatically too. With the Merge as Proxy option, Connector creates a dedicated material file for each proxy type and applies it when the proxy is loaded, eliminating the need to create mat files manually. You can also edit the asset in your scene and update it in the library along with the proxy without unnecessary back and forth. When using Merge as Proxy, Connector automatically checks for existing proxies before creating new ones. It matches them based on naming patterns, renderer type, and folder structure. If a match already exists, it reuses it automatically, saving time and preventing duplicates. Smart Merge and Replace also adds drag-and-drop support for V-Ray and Corona proxies, letting you place them directly into your scene. Simplify your entire proxy workflow, download Connector, and try the new 3ds Max integration.